In this video, I'll guide you through how to embed Typeform in Framer. If you're looking to integrate interactive forms seamlessly into your design projects, this tutorial is just for you. Let's dive right in and explore the steps together, ensuring your Typeform is perfectly embedded in your Framer project. First things first, head over to typeform.com. If you're not already familiar with Typeform, it's a fantastic tool for creating engaging forms that look great and are easy for users to fill out. Once there, log into your account and take a moment to look over the forms you've already created. If you don't have a Typeform ready yet, you'll want to create one before proceeding. But for those who do, find the form you'd like to embed. Now that you have your form selected, click on it. This will open up the form editor where you can make any last-minute tweaks if needed. Once you're satisfied with how the form looks and functions, our next step is all about sharing this form effectively. At the top of your screen, you'll notice a share button. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll find different options for sharing your Typeform. We're focused on embedding today, so let's move forward with that. Within the share menu, locate the option labeled Embed Form. Click on this and you'll see several different embedding options. We're specifically interested in embedding the form on your website, so select that choice. This option is crucial as it allows you to integrate the form directly into your Framer project seamlessly. Next, you'll be prompted to enter an embed name. This step might seem minor, but giving your embed a descriptive name helps keep things organized, especially if you plan to embed multiple forms. Choose a name that clearly identifies this particular form, making it easier to manage later. With your embed name set, click Start Embedding. This will prepare the embed code for you, which is what you'll need to insert into Framer. After this, you'll be presented with a few more options. Among these options, select General Embeds. This selection is versatile and ideal for use within Framer, ensuring your form integrates without any hitches. Once you've selected General Embeds, the next step is to copy the code. Look for the button labeled Copy Code and click it. This action will copy the embed code to your clipboard, making it easy to paste into Framer. And there you have it. The code is ready to be used in Framer. With your Typeform embed code copied, head over to Framer and open your project. In Framer, you'll want to find the section where you wish to embed the form and paste the code there. This will integrate your Typeform directly into your design, allowing for a smooth, interactive experience right within your project. This quick tutorial has shown you exactly how to embed Typeform in Framer. With these steps, you can now enhance your designs with interactive forms that are both functional and visually appealing. Thanks for watching and happy designing.